Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is about CorelDraw 2018 Align and Distribute. One of the new features of aligning nodes, if you wanted to add a node right there and then go up to Object, Align and Distribute, and open up the Docker, there's a tag right here, specific point. This circle is in the center of the object origin and is at 20 and minus 14. So if you change your node, let's grab our shape tool again and grab that node and change this to 20 and hit enter, and then go down right here and put to the center, and then to the left it will put that node in the center of that circle at 20.14 or negative 14. Same thing here, you could actually have it go to the edge of the page. Click on the edge of the page and then hit left or the right, and it'll put it to the right of the page all the way to the page. In the same deal, if you wanted to put center, you could have it go to the center of the page right there, which just so happen to be in the center with that origin. So it's pretty cool. You can, we'll select this node right here and tell it we want to go to the center of the page and center it. And there it is, that node is in the center of the page. Right here, if you want to go right here, this origin, let's get our pick tool. And that is at negative 19 and also at 32. So let's take this node right here and move it off that. That'll be good enough. Grab that node, change this to negative 19 and 32, and then hit center, and then left or right. It's going to put it at the crosshairs of those two indexes. I love this new feature so much that I added an icon for it. So if I want that align and distribute, I just have to click on there and it opens it up. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.